Aloha family and friends, it's Sunday, Easter morning. We are aboard the Kupanaha luxury dive and fishing boat. That is the captain right there in the water getting ready to go underwater. Captain Kenny, aloha Captain Kenny. That's the Kona Aggressor. They're full of scuba divers this morning. That other boat is Jack's Dive Locker. We're down here at a dive area, Kohana Iki. It only took me a year and a half to learn how to say Kohana Iki. It's not too difficult to say now. This is an exclusive resort here. That's Hualalai Mountain that you're looking at. Hualalai has got a few clouds on it this morning. That's where Kona coffee is grown. You can see there's not a whole lot of white sand beach here. A lot of lava rock. There's white sand beach on the other side of the lava rock. But once you get into the water, it's mostly lava. We got a golf course over there. I'm going to sign off for right now. Pretty day. Catch the divers when they come back up and get on board. I'm going to turn this thing off.
Six gun sound is our claim to fame.
And we got swimming. Yeah.
All right, we are back live. We got divers on the boat. We got Dive Master Bert over here. We got our good friend Jim from Alaska. We have the captain's lovely wife Sylvia. How about a shaka Sylvia? We got my lovely wife, Miss Mary Kay. McInnes. We're still waiting for other divers. Hopefully we have not lost any. Okay, I told y'all it is Easter Sunday, and to prove it, there's a boat with the Easter Bunny on it. And here's some more divers. Here we got a young lady, Cindy. She's a Tar Heel. This boat's got some class this morning. We got two Tar Heels on here. Cindy's from Greensboro. All right, we're back online now, family and friends. This is Kohana Iki. You see all those tents over there? They are the Hawaiians camping out, the locals camping out. They love a holiday weekend and they love a reason to go to the beach and camp out. They have fun. The mom and dad are there with the keikis. They're surfing. This is a big surf spot here. Why are y'all laughing at me? I'm narrating this. I want you to note my wife is laughing at me and her good friend Sylvia is laughing at me. Y'all, that's rude. Yeah, the white buildings, silver buildings in the background there, that's new industrial. That's where we have Costco and Home Depot. Yeah, that's okay. You probably can't see the surface from here because of this angle lens is too far away. And we are now fishing. Jim's been pretty. Yeah, okay. That's okay. Anyway, have the lovely we have an excellent dog trainer on board, Miss Deb. Okay, we're going to aloha all for a while.
Close my eyes and I let myself go. Listen to, baby, let the music flow. Yeah. Turn on your light and stay with me a while and ease your worried mind. Turn on your light now, babe, and stay with me a while and rock steady. Yeah. Oh. Rock steady.
All right, we are safely back at the pier. Captain Kenny. Captain Kenny. Get the crew assembled here, sir. Get the crew assembled.
Come on, assemble, crew. Crew, assemble. They're not listening to me. Hey, right here we go. Look up.
All right, we've been out with this crew all day long, and some of them have been drinking alcohol. Oh, here we go. Hey. It was a good trip. Yeah.